was amazing. Trying to make them more sustainable, like finding the challenges and then propose them more sustainable way in fashion was something really challenging for me. I didn't really know there were so many steps to consider, and I really learned lots of things from this project.
Okay, so we did one project per subject when we collaborated with different renewed entities like Banca Ifis, Migros, 24 Hour Cultura, which is the company that owns the museum near SUMAS Milan, Mudec. So depending on the subject, we were centering in more ESG strategies, more diversity and inclusion, and also, for example, I worked for Intersport for my capstone subject, which we had to work all together to give the report at the end of the year. So it was really insightful because you can also see how many resources does the company have for the sustainability department, right? They tell you, okay, so we have this budget or we have this goal at the end of the year and you have to work with that. That normally when you work in class, it's everything perfect, you have everything you need, and working with companies, you realize that it's a little bit more challenging than in normal life.
So for industry projects, we did a collaboration with Kempinski in Geneva headquarters. It was an online cooperation where first we did an analysis of their sustainability reports, and then we proposed some ideas in terms of energy, water, communication, or where we can make the Kempinski sustainability better for their reporting. And it was very nice to see them and then to actually get their feedback.
So during my studies, I had many projects with different firms from different industries, such as Migros, which is a retail company, Mudec, which is a museum, Dusitani, for whom I did my master's final project. So the whole project was to develop a strategy to reduce food waste within a resort in the Maldives. And I also had a really nice project with WBCSD during my first semester in the marketing class. We had to develop a project to transition to net zero for a fashion brand. So beside of this project that were all really insightful and during which I learned a lot from different industries, we also had many guest speakers during our class from, for example, Procter & Gamble or people from other big companies that taught us a lot.
We actually had to analyze how to implement sustainability in exhibitions or museums. And then another one that I really enjoy is a project with WBCSD, which is a pretty big company in Geneva, which is the World's Business Council for Sustainable Development. And we had to work on the net zero transformation project. We actually helped a company to improve the net zero path to then also become a member of WBCSD. So really interesting projects touching upon different industry and different aspects of sustainability.